Alright, I think we're okay. Oh, crap. Anyway, let's start over here. Okay, December 5th. I don't know what happened here. I think it's 31 or 21. I don't know. Oh, you know what? I can do that. It's 23. Anyway, I figured this would be a good, I don't know how well you can hear me because I got like a baklava on. But I figured this would be a good little, I don't know, riding on ice type video, tutorial maybe. Well, first off, be careful because everything is nasty. You want to go into higher gear, lower speed, and lug it. You don't want to have too high RPMs and spin, cause the rear tire to spin. Now, I believe in using the front brake. Sometimes I use the front brake exclusively. But this is one of those occasions where you don't want to touch the front brake. So you just want to go slow, let the gearing slow you down, and rear brake gently. Now, I probably got on video earlier because I just stopped and started over. But these cagers, they'll ride right up on your ass and shit like this because they don't care. They got a cager on them. When that happens, just pull off the side of the road, put your turn signal on, slowly get off the road, let them go by. Because them being in a damn hurry should not affect your health. But yeah, just go slow. You see, I actually started speeding too high. RPMs were coming up too high. And I don't want to be going that fast anyway, because this is a back road. I might be here for a week before somebody finds me. Now, they have ashed or salted the roads, so you're getting some traction out here right now. And this is actually the worst type of snow to get. Really cold, powdery ice below it. Like these tar strips, oh, let me tell you. I mean, just riding gently on them like this, the whole full friggin' thing goes. And that's another thing. You do not want to make any sudden movements. You're not going to be setting speed records. You're not going to be dragging peg or knee or anything. Conditions like this. Well, unless you're got those ice bikes with the ice, the studded tires front and rear, and you're on the lake somewhere. Then that's a different story. You can lay those son of bitches down on their side and go. Okay, like that there, I let the clutch out too quick. If that was ice, I would have had the back end kick out on me. I don't know how this road hill is, so I'm starting out low RPM, high gear. Well, I think I'm in second gear. No throttle, and covering the clutch just in case something does happen. And you can see the discoloration in the road. You don't know what the hell that stuff is. There's a reason why they call it black ice, because you can't see it. So, and I hate these guardrails and everything like that, because, man, that's like a human cheese grater right there. Okay, gently on the rear brake. I'm slowing down because I don't know what's up here. Hell, there might be a tree down. Come across that before. Haven't quite got over my mystery illness there, as you heard. But I'm feeling much better. I'm talking better. I can breathe. But every once in a while, I'll have like a sneezing fit. Oh, there's some mice. And then I'll cough right afterwards. Okay, now you hear it? Good old thumper action here. Some people call it dieseling, some people call it tractoring. You just take your time, let the low RPMs do their thing. Like that there, that's ice. I can tell that right off. Okay, now we're at the top of the hill. Oh, look at this. This is all ice. You don't want to slow down. You just want to keep even pressure. Low, low. Oh, crap. Okay, here we go. We might be getting back to road here. Okay, first gear. You know what? I should put the visor up. Yeah, there we go. Now I can see. I don't have... Yeah. Now I'm riding the rear brake here a little bit. But not... Oh, crap. That was bad. Started picking up speed really quick there. Now, if this was deeper snow and not this icy stuff, I'd be riding in the powder on the side. But being that I know that you can see the ice underneath it. So we don't want to be there. You want to be on the road where cars have gone, but not directly in their shiny path. Yeah, looks like I'm okay. Yeah, because if you go right where their tires were, their tires heated up the ice and snow, and then it refroze. So that's going to be extra slick. So you don't want to ride exactly in their tire tracks. But, okay, anyway, I want to go ahead and wrap this one up today. Get yourself something to ride. Don't be like an idiot like me and riding in weather and icy conditions. Stay safe and enjoy life. It's very precious. Ooh, that was a big patch there. And I can see up here is nothing but ice. All right, y'all. Later on, I'll talk to you. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.